Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically post YouTube Shorts with Shopee affiliate links. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to automatically post videos to a very new platform connected to Instagram, Threads. From my experience, Threads is becoming a very strong platform for affiliate marketing, so our software now supports automatic posting to Threads as well. You only need to add your Threads account, or simply add your Instagram account and the system can automatically detect and sync your Threads account. Before we get into the main content, let's start with a quick intro. After opening the MKT affiliate software, go to the Threads posting feature. Here, I recommend setting the action interval between 60 to 120 seconds to keep your account safe. For retry attempts, keep it at around 20 times. Next, you can choose how many videos you want to post to Threads, whether posting a single video or multiple videos automatically. Everything can be configured here. You can also enable automatic comments after posting. This allows you to leave promotional messages, product introductions, call to action comments, or contact information so users can easily reach out to you. Since Threads users may not immediately see your details, leaving comments helps guide them to your affiliate links or contact channels. You can also include Shopee affiliate links or other affiliate links directly inside the comment section automatically. For video configuration, you can choose one shared video setup for all accounts or separate configurations for each account with different videos. This makes it extremely convenient when managing multiple accounts, niches, or marketing campaigns at the same time. Instead of manually logging into each account, writing captions and posting videos one by one, which takes a lot of time, the software automates the entire process for you. Additionally, when working with me, I also provide AI tools that help you generate content ideas, create trending posts, and even duplicate content automatically to scale faster. Everything is designed to save you time and help you grow your affiliate marketing system more efficiently. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.